Hey guys, so yeah, right now I'm gonna show you my cats. They're back. Yo, I'm a kitty cat. She's like, what is this? Look at the camera. Ooh. So yeah, here's one of my cats. Her name's Freya. They're one of the cutest cats. So tiny. Anyway, that's why he hates me right now. But yeah, look at her in her majesticness, walking across the bed. Watch your language, young man. Yeah. Next plan.
No.
Minecraft.
Go away.
He's playing Minecraft.
Go away. I'm not Chinese.
You're playing Minecraft?
Mean Chang Bomba.
He's a meme.
Fuck you.
Oh my god, you're bad. I have to like censor this video now. The kitty cat. She is attacking you. Ah.
Your mum.
How you feel now? You feeling nervous, viewers? Sorry, I just choked on an Altoid.